Hey guys, if you want to fix the knob that controls your information display on the dash, there's a really simple solution for this. You can actually remove this whole switch assembly and replace it if you need to. But to actually fix the issue that comes when you try to rotate this, especially when you're setting your clock, all you need to do is spray some WD-40 inside this, behind the knob. So start by removing this knob. You just continue to pry at it. You can do it by hand, I did, or you can use some pliers. Remove the knob, and then right here, there you go. You see those 4 holes at the corners of this knob? There's one at each corner. You want to take your WD-40 with a straw attached to it, and you want to spray that one, that one, that one, and that one. And then go ahead and spray a little bit around the main shaft right here. So you take your WD-40, you want to put your straw here and spray for about a 1/4 second. Just a quick full burst. Here, 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 and here. And I will show you what I can do now. I can go to set my clock. And notice I will rotate 1 time and it moves 1 digit. That's how simple that is. Hope this helps you guys out.